Transforming my room into a cool place to write music and the official beginning of phase 2. When I got home from work today, I painted my closet doors white and reconstructed my closet. These next few videos are going to be different because they're all about organization and moving back into my room. Organization for me is all about reducing stress and promoting creativity, which is how it fits in my story. And I found my old driver's licenses. A couple tips on organizing: when I hang my clothes up, I hang the hangers backwards, and then whenever I wear something, I hang it forwards. This helps me differentiate what I'm wearing from what I'm not wearing, so over time I know what to get rid of next. In my dresser, I have a drawer for miscellaneous and undies, which I'm not going to show you, and then I have a whole drawer dedicated just for workout clothes, and then I have flannels and t-shirts, and underneath that I have jeans and then pajamas. Everything I put back in my room I handpicked, and anything I didn't want I gave to Goodwill. This is a great way to support my local business and hook people up with cool deals. In my hallway, it used to look like this, now it looks like this. Heck yeah. I finished by vacuuming and moving out my bookshelf, painting my windowsill, and diffusing citrus to get rid of any last paint fumes so I can move in tomorrow. See you soon! Transforming my room into a cool place to write music, part 9. Today was another day of organizing and cleaning, so I brought a bunch more stuff from my bathroom and hallway into my room for me to go through and clean out. My main goal for today was this coin jar. I wanted to fill it up over the course of my life and then do something cool with the money, but this idea just became unrealistic and doesn't bring me joy anymore, so I decided to dump it. I'm still counting the money, so if you want to take a guess at how much it is and leave it in the comments, give it your best shot. I bet you won't get it, and it is a lot. I also wanted to figure out what I wanted to do with my furniture today. Honestly, I wanted to paint it, but my mom said no, so I brought my friend Rebecca and we went to a few stores to try to see if we could spark some creative ideas, which was basically unfruitful until Rebecca gave me a great idea for my room, which I really loved. I talked to my parents, but they were skeptical, but I'm going to try to pull it off. I also got my first shipment of appliances for my room, which was really exciting, and over the course of the day, my room went from this to this. I also got rid of this old plasticky broken mesh from my closet and just did a lot of organizational progress. Felt good. See you soon. Transform my room into a cool place to write music, part 10. So an update on the money. I finished counting it and it was $392.04 in that little jar. Congrats to my follower Sayanda, who actually guessed $3.99. That was pretty close. So confession, I have a serious shoe problem. Too many shoes and not enough space. So I dreamed up and designed a shoe rack specifically to fit in my closet perfectly and hold 24 shoes. I found some old plywood that was in my garage we were going to throw out, and then I measured cut to size. Then our belt sander broke and I had to sand it by hand, which took forever. Then I cut power to my room from our breaker box, which is very important, and installed some electrical appliances in my room, like this brand new light switch, which works with my phone. And then I also installed this dome light in my ceiling, which is so much more spacious and beautiful than my old light fixture. I absolutely love it, and the white light that it puts in my room, it's really pretty. Then I installed these brand new black doorknobs on my closet doors, and my old light fixture from my room I put in the laundry room to give my mom more light and airflow. At the end of the day, I took my dad and got some free pallets off of Craigslist. We loaded them up and took them home. I bet you already probably know what I'm planning to build, but stay tuned. I can't wait to show you. See you soon. Into a cool place to write music, part 11. Oof. So if you remember from last time, I started building a shoe rack. Well, today I finished it. Got a power drill and some screws, and over the course of about 2 hours with my dad, we built it. It's freaking awesome. It holds 24 shoes. I have 19 pairs, so it's just a little bit of a growing room, but not too much. I primed it, and then I painted it and left it outside to dry for about 2 hours. When I brought it to my closet, it was a perfect fit. The measurements were spot on. I'm freaking in love. I stacked it and my shoe problem is officially fixed. Then I got these shelf organizers from Amazon, which are nifty, and further organized, got my tech boxes, hats and beanies, got my box of memorabilia and duffel bags, rollerblading helmet, and squishy blankets. My closet used to look like this. Now it looks like this. Then I spent the remainder of the evening going through last piles of books, whatnot, deciding what to keep, give away, or sell. Well guys, this is the official conclusion of phase 2. The progress has been super sweet, but it's been far sweeter having you guys along. Thank you so much for watching and for following. It's been really cool. I hope my videos make you feel good and inspire you to some extent, and I'll see you in phase 3.